5 seconds. Start. The present appeal by special leave is directed against the order dated 1st October 2012 passed by the High Court, whereby the learned single judge in exercise of the jurisdiction under section 439 to read with section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 has set aside the order dated passed by the learned additional sessions judge Saket Courts, Delhi, who had granted the benefit of anticipatory bail to the appellants in FIR number AA instituted for the offence punishable under section 420 IPC, registered at police station Defense Colony, New Delhi. The factual matrix that is required to be exposited for the purpose of disposal of the present appeal is that the second respondent filed an FIR against the present appellants, alleging that both of them had conspired against him, and in furtherance of the said conspiracy they had subjected him to cheating, criminal breach of trust, and have misappropriated the money. As alleged in the FIR, the appellants allowed the said respondent to buy a property situated at Lodi Road, New Delhi, for which he paid an advance of rupees 1 crore. As the narration would unfurl, it was apprised by the appellants that the property, comprising entire basement floor and entire ground floor with one servant and imperishable share of ownership rights in the land underneath, would be sold to him, and he will be delivered vacant peaceful physical possession. There are series of other allegations which would show that on the basis of oral agreement certain amount was paid, and on 30th April 2013 an agreement to sell was duly executed between the parties. It is also the case of the informant that remaining part of the amount, that is rupees 4 crores, was to be paid to the accused persons at the time of registration of the sale deed on or before 26th September 2011. As the allegations proceed, after receipt of the amount, the appellants disputed the amount and delayed the execution of the sale deed. On an inquiry being made, the second respondent came to know that the appellants had entered into an agreement to sell the said property to a third person. That was the foundation to lodge the FIR. After the lodgment of the FIR, the appellants moved an application under Section 438 CRPC for a grant of anticipatory bail. The appeal was dismissed by the learned Additional Sessions Judge, Southeast Saket Courts, New Delhi, wide order dated 25th March 2012. Thereafter, the appellants, after expiry of 3 weeks, filed second application under Section 438 CRPC, which came to be considered by the learned Additional Sessions Judge, 2nd Southeast New Delhi, who allowed the same by the impugned order dated 10th March 2012. The aforesaid order was assailed before the High Court on two grounds. First, the accused persons had misrepresented stop